Howdy and welcome back to the channel. Today I want to go over a couple new laws that the state of Texas just passed and just went into effect September 1st of 2019 that apply to concealed carry holders. While there were about 10 to 12 new laws that got passed, here are four main ones that I wanted to share with you guys. And actually a few of these are on the updated LTC test. First one is House Bill 302. This protects tenants' rights to keep and bear arms, essentially is what it is. So landlords can no longer prohibit the owners or tenants or their guests from keeping or storing firearms and or ammunition in the place that their unit, their home, whatever it is. So tenants, you now have that legal right that cannot be taken from you. Number two, House Bill 1177. This mainly has to do with disaster areas. Essentially, it removes the provision of unlawful carrying of a handgun as long as that person is not prohibited from possessing a firearm and they're evacuating or re-entering a mandatory evacuation. Long story short, in the event of a natural disaster, evacuation, or moving back into an evacuation zone, you do not need a LTC to carry your gun on your person. So one more step in the right direction. Another one, House Bill 121. This I think is great. It essentially gives carry holders a defense to prosecution in the event that they receive a verbal notice that entry is forbidden and they immediately leave the premises. So if you go into a facility and they say, hey, you can't carry in here, and you immediately leave the premises, you are good to go. So we got a defense to prosecution on that. Last one, Senate Bill 535 regarding places of worship. So in the past, places of worship were considered prohibited places of carry. We did have a defense to prosecution in the event that an effective Chapter 30 notice wasn't posted, but essentially the state just removed that altogether. So places of worship no longer prohibited places of carry. They are, though, still allowed to post 30-6 and 30-7 signs in the event that they don't want you carrying on site. Appreciate you guys for watching. Just a couple quick updates. Looks like we are headed in the right direction, like I said, with our rights getting restored. So Texas, good on you. Remember guys, be smart, be safe, be skilled. We will catch you on the next video.